Hello, guys. How you doing? I am Dr. James. This is Dr. James TV Network presents Dr. James's Tips. This tip, episode one, we're talking about how to deal with a internal or external customer. This is how you deal with an internal or external customer. This episode one will talk about the internal customer. Okay, so in this episode, we'll talk about when you're dealing with a customer that makes decisions all by themselves, whether it's the husband or the wife. If it's the husband and he makes the decisions, if it's the wife and she makes the decisions, or maybe she consults with him, but she's able to make a decision, that is normally an internal customer. So let's say, for instance, if you're trying to sell a car to this customer, you're trying to sell your products, your items, maybe your courses, then what you need to do is to be able to show that customer. And how can you tell if it's internal? Because for one, if the guy or the woman is single and they come meet you by themselves, typically they make their own decisions, right? If it's the male, it depends on his or her answer. If you talk to him about your course or your item and the answer is yes or no or whatever, then you pretty much know there's no one for him to consult with to determine if this is, if they need to change the answer or try to figure out another answer, they can do it themselves. Same thing with the woman. If she comes to meet you or comes to see your presentation by herself, and there's no mention of, hey, I need to bring someone with me to make sure of this or that, then you know she's internal. You know that she can make a decision or at least relay this to someone else, but ultimately she's the decision maker. When you're able to see who's the decision maker, then you'll be able to relay your what you need to say to that person. You'll be able to relay this to that person. In turn, relaying that to that person will mean that you don't have to worry about any other person to have to talk to about what you have to talk about. So pay attention to what they say and what they're saying. That way you'll understand that's an internal person. And you only have to speak to that person to talk about what you want to talk about, to sell whatever you're trying to sell. And boom, you'll be able to make your sale because that person makes the decision. That's the internal person. Okay? When we come back on episode two, we'll talk about the external person. Till then, we'll see you guys later. Have a great day.